Hey everybody, it's Amanda.
And it's Mike.
And we are the
thehydesdodisney.
Disney. Welcome back to another Thursday video. Today we are making one of my favorite foods. I think it's one of your favorites too.
It is my favorite, yeah. So this is one of those things that we kind of stumbled upon. Like, we didn't really have the intentions of getting this when we got it. We actually originally went to Woody's Lunchbox and looking for lunch items, looking for the Totchos, and we kind of were too early. So they literally were like, we don't have those. So we ordered this instead. This is Woody's breakfast bowl.
And it is amazing. If you haven't had it before, go and get it. So let's just get started in cooking.
So first thing we're gonna do is get our tots ready. We're gonna preheat our oven to 450.
Bing.
We are going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. To that, we're gonna add 1 cup smoked beef brisket. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour.
You're making a brisket roux?
Yep. That's good. Slowly add in 1.5 cups of whole milk, whisking as you pour. Now we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You technically can add whatever you want to whatever your proportions are.
Tots, out.
Saute pan, 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna add 3 eggs to the butter. As it melts, make it creamier. Salt, pepper. So we're just gonna add some potatoes. Cheddar, green onions.
Wow, I feel like we're in like, what's the show with Alton Brown?
Good Eats?
Good Eats? I feel like that's like the POV that we have right now.
Yeah, it's kind of
Weird. All right, you two, get out of here.
Get out of here.
All right, I'm super pumped for this.
Go ahead, take a bite. I'll let you go first.
And make sure.
Oh, that's a good bite. That's a good one. It's hot.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness.
Mmm. Mmm. That's what you need.
That brisket really elevates it.
Mm. This would be great too. I would say at night to make your sausage gravy or brisket gravy, whatever you make it at night, and then you just heat it up in the morning really quickly. You know, cook off some eggs and cook off some tater tots and just toss it, just put it all together. It'd be a very quick meal.
I think you could even do this. I mean, I think that's just a great gravy to use on anything, really.
I mean, yeah, it'd be great on biscuits. It'd be great on toast, waffles, pancakes.
Use that bread recipe from a video a couple weeks ago from the grilled cheese sandwich.
Yeah, you can do that as well. So, if you guys really like this, please give us a thumbs up, give us a nice like, give us a comment if you've tried it or you've made alternate versions of it. Comment if you have some other suggestions of stuff you want us to make.
Yeah.
Right now we're kind of on a Woody's Lunchbox kick.
Yeah, I think we have one more recipe.
We have one more recipe we want to try out that we think would be a lot of fun. So kind of give us an idea of what you'd like to see next after that. Is there a certain place in the park? Is there a certain menu you'd like us to go over?
Yeah.
We enjoy exploring fun things like this. These are all quick serves, but if you want to see something more fine dining, I'll step it up.
Yeah, I mean, I really liked how we did pretty much everything at Woody's Lunchbox, except for one major thing, and that's what we're hopefully gonna be doing in a video coming up soon. So if you want to see us maybe do like a theme, because we did the food brew and cinnamon roll. We've done almost all the food from Woody's Lunchbox. Maybe we do all the pastries at the house. That's so many.
No, I'm not. I got some skills, but that's a lot of work.
I have 3 things that are on the list. I've got like 3 or 4 things on our cooking list.
We'll talk about that one. But yeah, let us know if there's some other things you want to see. Something you guys would like to have at home that you don't, but you can't obviously get at home because you want it from Disney, or say you're not going to Disney because of what's going on right now and you've put off your trip till next year, but you're really craving that one thing. Let us know. I want to make it so that you can then replicate it yourself. We really enjoy doing that, showing people that you can actually make a lot of cool stuff at home from Disney. Disney's a very big company. They do everything very commercially on large portions. It tastes so much better when you make it at home.
It does. Don't tell them that. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give a big thumbs up, leave one of those comments down below. So we will see you guys on Monday for another video and next Thursday for another cooking video.
Peace.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Look, this is good.